So for Unit 4, we're going to wind down the class with 3 chapters. We're going to be talking about oncology or cancer, and we'll be talking about nutrition support. With the cancer chapter, we're going to look at some various foods that have proposed cancer fighting attributes. So we're taking a look at those and discussing those and kind of seeing how we feel about that, if we think that they're onto something, if we don't. We'll also be looking at cancer treatments and how those affect the nutrition status. So when someone's undergoing cancer treatment, there's a lot to be concerned with their nutritional status. So we want to do what we can to make sure that they're maintaining a positive nutritional intake. The last 2 chapters for nutrition support, we're going to be covering what's happening when you can't take in your own nutrition. What happens when there has to be medical intervention? So we're going to be looking at tube feeding, those types of things. So what's happening when you yourself can't eat? So if you're in a state where you can't do that, what happens? So we'll be looking at that, and like I said, and then oncology. And you'll have 2 written assignments, like just the general essay type questions that you've had in the past with previous units. And then one thing that's going to make this unit unique is that you're going to end the unit with a research paper. So there'll be instructions for the research paper in Blackboard, but one thing that I do ask is that you do put some thought into it, that you work hard on the paper, proofread it. You know, please make sure that it is a college level paper, and that you've put some thought into it, you've put some research into it. Again, you've proofread it, and so that's what we'll be doing for that. Again, at the end of the unit, you'll have the discussion board, and you'll have the test at the end of Unit 4, just like in the previous unit. So the test will be 2 parts, both timed. And the other thing is that after the end of Unit 4, when that is over, then there will be a final exam, and the final exam will be cumulative, so it's going to cover things that we've covered throughout the whole entire semester. So there will be a cumulative final exam at the very end, and it will be worth 100 points, which is the same amount as all of your other tests have been. So thanks so much.